Be, unang-una, nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon dahil nakita ko na ang tamang tao para sa akin.
Wash over me, let me fall from my surroundings. Take over me.
Be, simula ngayong araw na ito, misis ko sa akin ka na at sa'yo na ako. Hindi ko man mapangako sa'yo na maging perfect husband. Pero gagawin ko naman lahat para mapasaya ka.
Talk to me from the lungs of the air your heart is breathing. Falling for a moment.
Pinapangako ko sa'yo na alagaan kita at mamahalin ng sobra hanggang sa huli ng sandali ng buhay ko.
In the grip of your arms, far from where I wanna see the other side. Show me where to go. Oh, this could be my last chance.
The love that they are about to declare before all of us, and the love that they will offer to each other from this day forth, is no simple, no ordinary love. In fact, it is the most special kind of love, a most sacred type of love, a love that resembles the kind of love that God has for each of us.
Buried underneath, if you look any further than the storms up here, lines of fading time. Oh, this could be my last chance. Far from where I see the other side. Show me where to go. Oh, this could be my last chance.
Be, thank you sa lahat, sa pagkakaintindi mo sa akin kasi minsan may pagka-moody din ako. At ikaw yung may malaking pasensya sa akin. At ito lang yung ipapangako ko sa'yo. Ako'y magiging mabuting ina sa mga anak natin balang araw at magiging tahanan sa ating pagkakaisa. At tsaka mamahalin kita ng walang hanggan. I love you so much.
Sinner, you belong here in your own free will. You bind yourself forever in the love and service of your Son.
Yes, Father.
Brilliant, you belong here in your own free will. You bind yourself forever in the love and service of your Lord. Yes, Father.